Assalamu alaikum. Electromagnetic device could catapult advances in mechanobiology research in the clinical arena. Date January 18, 2023. Source University of Cambridge. Summary: a new electromagnetic device that enables high precision measurements of a broad range of soft biomolecule tissues has established a new strand of precision in the mechanobiology field. Say researchers, the method allows for the mechanical testing of tissues the size of human biopsy samples, making it particularly relevant for studies of human disease. The body's soft tissues exhibit a wide range of mechanical properties such as stiffness and strength, which are critical to carry out their function. For example, the tissues of the gastrointestinal tract are soft to allow for the transit and digestion of food, whereas tendons are relatively more stiff to transmit force from muscles to bone, allowing us to move. The ability to accurately measure the mechanical properties of these tissues, which are subject to change during developmental processes or because of disease, has profound implications for the fields of biology and medicine. Methods to measure these properties are currently inadequate and their accuracy and reliability remains limited until now. Now, new research involving researchers from the University of Cambridge and the MIT Institute for Medical Engineering and Science has resulted in a device that relies on magnetic actuation and optical sensing, thus potentially allowing for live imaging of the tissues under an inverted microscope. This way, insights can be gained into the behavior of the tissue under mechanical forces at both a cellular and molecular level. The results are reported in the journal Science Advances. An electromagnet exerts a pulling force on a tissue specimen which is mounted on a device while an optical system measures the specimen's change in size or shape. One of the most critical requirements for mechanical testing of soft biological tissues is the need to mimic the biological specimen's psychological conditions, temperature, nutrients as closely as possible in order to keep the tissue alive and preserve its biochemical properties, said Dr. Thierry Simon, associate professor in bioengineering who led the research team. To this end, we designed a transparent mounting chamber to measure the mechanical properties of tissues at the millimeter scale in their native physiological and chemical environment. The result is a more versatile, precise, and robust device that shows high reliability and reproducibility. Lusa Rosalia PhD candidates at IMS added through analysis of the biomechanics of healthy tissues and their changes as they occur during disease. Our disease could eventually be used to identify alterations in tissue properties that are of diagnostic relevance, therefore becoming a valuable tool to inform clinical device stories towards medical provided by University of Cambridge. The original text is stories licensed under a Creative Commons license. Not content may be edited for style and length. Thanks for watching my videos. Allah.